Another issue that has happened, and I think which will be implemented from the 1st of April 2022 is the center planning to tax Employee Provident Fund (EPF) contribution exceeding to 2.50 lakhs yearly, and for government employees the limit has been set higher end at 5 lakh. Now, I just want to understand is what is your view, because this is something that new has been introduced, and how do you break the jinx, because there are a lot of speculations here also.
See, this is as a new policy, and we are in a mode to come up with the calculations of that to make accounts accordingly. So we'll be bifurcating the accounts in a way to suit the new law, and it would be a bit too early to say anything on that. But as and when things go in a very proper shape, then we can comment on that. But as a policy, it's to be taxed that if the contribution is more than 2.5 so of the employee share.
Okay.
So then we can see what actually emerges out of it. But our main issue in this is how to go about with accounting process in that. So we are in that process as of now.